Hard work pays off. Rohan was born in a small village in India where life was simple and people worked hard to make ends meet. His father was a farmer and his mother took care of their home and family. From a young age, Rohan was fascinated by how things worked. He loved to tinker with old gadgets and machines, often taking them apart and trying to put them back together. In his village, education was a luxury that not many could afford. Most children dropped out of school to help their parents with farming or other jobs. But Rohan was different. He had a thirst for knowledge that couldn't be quenched. He wanted to learn more, to understand how things worked, and to use that knowledge to make life better for people in his village. One day, Rohan told his father about his dream of becoming an engineer. His father, wiping sweat from his brow after a long day in the fields, looked at him with a mix of pride and concern. Rohan, he said, I am proud that you have big dreams. But becoming an engineer is not easy. It requires a lot of money and years of study. We can barely afford your school fees now. Rohan nodded. He knew his family's financial situation was difficult, but he was determined. I understand, Papa. But I will work hard. I will study day and night. I will earn scholarships and find a way. His father sighed but saw the determination in Rohan's eyes. All right, my son. If you are willing to work hard and face the challenges, then we will support you as much as we can. With his father's blessing, Rohan decided to focus all his energy on his studies. He woke up before sunrise every day to help his father in the fields. After a few hours of labor, he would rush to school, his books tucked under his arm. In school, he listened intently to his teachers, scribbling notes in his worn out notebook. He had no money for extra books or tuition, so he borrowed books from friends and stayed back after school to study in the library. His teachers noticed his dedication. They saw him stay back after school, reading books that were beyond his grade level, and they started to help him in whatever way they could. One of his teachers, Mrs. Gupta, began giving him extra lessons after school. She taught him math and science, subjects essential for his dream of becoming an engineer. Rohan, I see something special in you, Mrs. Gupta said one day after a lesson. You have the passion and the drive to succeed. But remember, the road ahead will not be easy. You will face many obstacles, but you must remain strong. Rohan nodded. He knew the journey would be long and difficult, but he was prepared to work hard. Despite his determination, there were days when Rohan felt discouraged. His friends often teased him, saying, Why do you study so much, Rohan? You're just a farmer's son. You will end up in the fields like the rest of us. But Rohan didn't let their words affect him. He believed in his dreams and knew that hard work was the only way to achieve them. As Rohan progressed through school, the subjects became more challenging. He struggled with advanced math and physics, and there were times when he felt overwhelmed. His family's financial situation worsened, and there were days when they didn't have enough to eat. Rohan's father fell ill, and the burden of supporting the family fell on his mother and him. Rohan had to take on odd jobs after school to help his family. He worked as a laborer, carried heavy loads, and even cleaned houses. Despite these challenges, he never gave up on his studies. He would come home exhausted but still make time to study late into the night. One evening, as Rohan sat under the dim light of an oil lamp, struggling to solve a complex math problem, tears welled up in his eyes. He felt defeated, wondering if all his hard work would ever pay off. His mother noticed his frustration and sat down beside him. Rohan, my dear, why are you crying? She asked softly. Ma, I'm trying so hard, but it seems like nothing is working. I don't know if I'll ever become an engineer, Rohan replied, his voice choked with emotion. His mother gently wiped away his tears. Listen to me, Rohan. Life is not easy, and sometimes it feels like the world is against us. But remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger. Hard work never goes unnoticed. Keep going, my son. I believe in you. Her words comforted Rohan, and he decided to keep pushing forward, no matter how tough things got. One day, a notice was put up at school about a scholarship exam for underprivileged students who wanted to pursue higher education. The scholarship would cover all expenses, including tuition, books, and accommodation. Rohan's heart leapt with hope. This was the opportunity he had been waiting for. He immediately signed up for the exam and began preparing with even more intensity. He spent hours studying, practicing math problems, and revising science concepts. Mrs. Gupta provided him with old exam papers and guided him through difficult topics. His classmates noticed his dedication and started cheering him on. The day of the exam finally arrived. Rohan walked into the examination hall, his heart pounding with nervousness. He sat down, took a deep breath, and prayed for strength. As he opened the exam booklet, he felt a wave of confidence wash over him. He had prepared well, and he knew this was his chance to prove himself. The exam was tough, but Rohan didn't let that discourage him. He tackled each question with determination, using every ounce of knowledge he had gained over the years. By the end of the exam, he was exhausted but hopeful. He had given it his best shot. A few weeks later, the results were announced. Rohan's heart raced as he scanned the list of names posted on the school notice board. When he saw his name on the list of scholarship recipients, he couldn't believe his eyes. He had done it. His hard work had paid off. With the scholarship in hand, Rohan moved to the city to attend a prestigious engineering college. It was a new world for him, filled with challenges and opportunities. The city was vast and bustling, and the college was unlike anything he had ever experienced. The courses were rigorous, and Rohan quickly realized that he was behind his peers who had access to better resources and education. But he didn't let that deter him. He spent long hours in the library, studied late into the night, and sought help from professors and classmates whenever he needed it. There were times when he felt like giving up. The workload was immense, and he missed his family and the simplicity of village life. But every time he felt discouraged, he reminded himself of the struggles he had overcome to get here. He couldn't let all his hard work go to waste. One evening, after a particularly challenging exam, Rohan sat alone in the library, feeling overwhelmed. A senior student, Anjali, noticed him and approached. Hey, you look stressed. Is everything okay? She asked kindly. Rohan sighed. I'm just finding it hard to keep up. Everyone here is so smart, and I feel like I'm falling behind. Anjali smiled. I understand how you feel. I was in your shoes once. But remember, everyone has their own journey. You've already overcome so much to be here. Don't be too hard on yourself. Keep working hard, and you'll find your way. Her words gave Rohan a renewed sense of determination. He decided to take it one step at a time, focusing on doing his best each day. Slowly but surely, he started to catch up with his peers. He even began to excel in some of his courses. As the years passed, Rohan grew more confident in his abilities. He developed a passion for engineering, particularly in the field of renewable energy. He wanted to use his knowledge to create sustainable solutions for his village and other rural areas. In his final year, Rohan took on a challenging project to design a low cost solar powered irrigation system. He poured all his energy into the project, spending countless hours in the lab, testing and refining his design. He faced numerous setbacks, but each time, he learned from his mistakes and improved his approach. His hard work didn't go unnoticed. His professors were impressed with his dedication and innovative thinking. When he presented his project at the final year exhibition, it received widespread acclaim. Rohan was even invited to present his work at a national conference. The day of the conference was a proud moment for Rohan. He stood before a large audience composed of academics, industry experts, and fellow students and explained his project with confidence and clarity. He shared his journey from a small village boy with big dreams to a soon to be engineer with a vision for the future. As he finished his presentation, the room erupted in applause. Rohan's heart swelled with pride and gratitude. All the hard work,